cannot be whom God intended when you are not in the state that God created you to be in. Somebody didn't get what I'm saying, so let me put it this way. When God wanted to create fish, he spoke to the sea. When God wanted to create trees, he spoke to the earth. But when God wanted to create us, he spoke to himself. Then God said, let us make man in our own image and in our own likeness. Genesis 1:26-31. If you take a fish out of the water, it dies. If you remove the tree from the soil, it dies. Likewise, when man is disconnected from God, he dies. God is our natural environment. We were created to live in his presence. It is only in him that life exists. It is in him that we live, move, and have our being. Lord, please fill us. Chronic use forces the body to adapt, to compensate. When we are without the Holy Spirit, we had to adapt to be this way. And yes, adapt has positive connotations, but the word adapt really means to become adjusted to new conditions. We become comfortable in our sinful state. We get comfortable in praying less, in praising less, comfortable with being more selfish and more self-centered. We are without the Holy Spirit, but I can guarantee that there is a spirit at work in your life, and it isn't God's.